Hi everyone, you must be aware that I am creating videos on Spark streaming series. So I have got some comments like they want me to help them install Apache Spark in their local machine. So I thought of creating a video for the same. This is the Spark downloads page and I am using the Mac. You can also use Windows. It is a very simple process. I am choosing the Spark version 3.5.1 and I am choosing this one, and then there is a link. I'll just click on that, and this is the link that I'll copy. I'll go to the terminal and I will download it. 3.5.1. The download has started. You can simply click on that, click on this link, and your download will get started. That is also one process. I'm using the curl command. Download is still in progress. One thing you can do is install VMware or let's say VirtualBox on your Windows machine, and you can install Ubuntu, and on top of that you can install Spark or Hadoop, whatever you want. It will give you a Mac like feeling or a Linux like feeling, because a lot of things that we do as a data engineer we do via the command line. So I hope that you must be aware how to use basic commands in a Linux machine. So as you can see, the download is finished. This is the older file I downloaded, but it was not working, so I'll just remove that, and I'll have to actually rename it to, it's not mandatory, but this is a file, so it should have an extension. It's not mandatory in a Linux like system or Mac, but in Windows there will be a file extension. Now I'll extract this one, tar -xvf, and then this one. Now let's go ahead and see. The file is extracted and you can see the content here. Now what we can do, so since this extraction is done, we'll just have to set some environment variables. So in Windows you can set these environment variables, which is Spark Home. Let me open that. So in Mac or Linux like system, we have a .bash profile file in the home directory, and I am setting Spark Home where the Spark directory is located, where we extracted it. So which is temp Spark and Spark 3.5.1 bin Hadoop 3. Then I'm setting Spark conf dir. This is one of the environment variables, and it is taking the reference from here. So $spark home is this one. So whatever value is here, it will be replaced here during runtime and then the conf directory. Finally, since we want to run the Spark shell from anywhere on the command line, we need to set it to the path variable. Path equals $path. So whatever path variable contains that one, and let's append bin and sbin folders of Spark Home. So that's it. So we'll just execute this file once. In Mac or Linux like system, whenever you log out and you log in again, this file is automatically executed, but for now I am manually executing it. Now if you want to see what is the Spark Home, you can just see from here. Now let's say you want to run Spark Shell Apache master local and star Apache local star. So if you see this screen, means your Spark is set up correctly. So as you can see, it is a very simple process, right? If you want to launch the Spark UI, this is the URL. You can just copy and paste it to a browser and it will open the Spark UI for you. I'm not sure like what issue you are facing, because it's a very simple process. Even in Windows, there might be some additional files like WinUtils which you need to place to a certain folder, but nevertheless it is not so very difficult process. It is a very easy process. So if you are still facing any issue, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out. Let's go ahead and run something. Spark.sql, select hello, sorry. So just, so I did not do a show, so I'll have to do a show. As you can see, it means that a Spark is set up successfully and a Spark SQL is also working fine. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.